Let's put a brand new grey bag on my grey Senior. Hello my YouTubers, and welcome again to Silly Sid 123. You join me with my 1962 Hoover Senior 652A original grey. So, as you know, there's only one video of this machine on my YouTube, which is the full flat demo. After 2 videos went on, which were complete failures, and I deleted them because I looked a complete plank. Don't worry about that. So, this video is quite special because we're going to put an original, well, not original, but the closest to the original grey cloth bag on this machine. So it will look a bit more better than having a blue bag on a grey machine. Obviously I can't get an original bag because, well, they're obsolete. Like the pink deluxe bag is so obsolete you can't get them. You're very lucky if you find one with the original bags. So we've got a replacement grey bag for this machine. So what we're going to do for you guys is we're going to show you how to take the old cloth bag off a Senior, because there's not too many videos of bag changes on Seniors, and how to fit the new one. Okay, so we want to start by turning the Senior around, and because of course we want to get the paper bag out and off, which you guys obviously know how to do. It's very oh, this is going to be joyful indeed. Yeah. Wait. Oh. It's not too bad. Tell you what, just flick all that off. Just recycle itself. Okay, so once you've taken that off, now down here is a screw. That is almost there. We want to get that nut off. There we go. And that will just slip off like so. And there we go. The old bag is off. There you go, look at that. That is a genuine grey Senior Hoover bag. Right, so that works well. It's a bit creased, but there you go. So we're going to fit this now. Like this. Oh, this one's different. So what we want to do with this one, take it completely out. Bring it right down to the bottom one. That there. Oh, that'd be perfect. Sat there. Bit of a battle, but there you go. So the grey bag is going on. make sure that zips up because I don't want that hanging out. Have to do, I think. Okay, so the grey bag is on. Okay, let's put the new paper bag in. There we go, that's done anyway. A spring one. Pop the bag in the bag. That goes there, that's fine. That's okay. I think we're laughing at that. There we have it, it's a bit wrinkled, but hey, that should blow up nicely. Okay, let's do a short demo with the grey bag on. So there we go, my YouTubers, thanks for watching, hope you've enjoyed this video. So there we go, that's how you take off a senior bag and put on a new senior bag. Quite pleased with this one. It is a bit creased, but it is what it is, unfortunately. Don't want to risk losing that if ironing it, but this is a genuine bag with Hoover written on it. I'm sure it will stretch out to its originality, but it's looking so much better sat on the grey senior than the blue bag did, as sure as you guys can understand. So hope you've enjoyed that video. We're keeping this in my collection for good. It is a genuine original, straight after the Deluxe 652. This came out in 1962. So what more can I say? Brilliant vacuum cleaner. It runs like a dream. Like, subscribe and enjoy my videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.